आई थिंक व्हेन यू लुक एट लाइफ हिस्टोरिकली और इन रेट्रोस्पेक्ट, जब आप पीछे जाके देखते हैं तब समझ आता है कि जो जब जब होना था सो तब तब हुआ है, right?
I wish to share one gesture for those who are aspiring for becoming psychologists. I am not saying I am someone with the psychology. I am still trying to learn. I daily learn from the client, their family member, the ecosystem, the dynamic that play the role in the development of the issue. So once the administrator tell me, counter person who was handling the admission, yes, your name is present, you are the last person, and he give a comment,
you are the last person,
you are the last person. He give a comment.
Yeah.
So he was checking my file. He said, you got selected out of this low mark because you choose two such subject which other doesn't take.
Achha.
You have chosen the philosophy and you mark a psychology as a subject. We want department a 30 student list. That is why you have been chosen. So once I see I am the student of graduation psychology subject, I start running to pick the auto. While the auto was running, I jump from the window in excitement. I am going to become a psychologist.
क्या सिखाया ये 5 सालों ने आपको? ये जो जिंदगी की अप एंड डाउन, टू एंड फ्रो, जहाँ पे पहले आप श्योर भी नहीं थे और ऑल ऑफ अ सडन यू सॉ समथिंग इन द मेकिंग. ऐसा होता है ना कि फ्यूचर दिखना शुरू हो रहा है शायद. क्या आप ऑब्जर्व कर रहे थे इस टाइम में?
Starting in the college and those 5 years and after the 2-year specialization, and continuously I have one non-compromisable subject in my mind. I can't afford failure. Either it's a psychology or a money making or a relationship or a learning. One choice only need to get over. Need to done finish the work. Of graduation second year, when my teacher, I guess she will be feel proud about this when I'm taking her name. So Professor Anita Tiwari, I remember the date, 14 August 1997. She was sharing about OCD, and once she told me, people keep washing hand, that is a contamination OCD. People keep repetitive worship, that is a religious OCD. People have a checking aspect. So 3-4 subtypes she told me, and whatever she was saying in that 40-minute subtype of OCD or explaining OCD, I was smiling. I was feeling, अरे यही तो है जो चाहिए था.
वेलकम टू अनबाउंड. जैसे हमारी हमेशा कोशिश होती है कि हम आपके सामने कुछ ऐसा प्रेजेंट करें जो बिल्कुल नया है, जो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है, और शायद आपने उसको पहले कभी पहचाना नहीं या देखा नहीं. आज उसी कोशिश के ज़रिए हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं. डॉक्टर श्याम गुप्ता जी हमारे साथ हैं. ही हैज़ कम ऑल द वे फ्रॉम आगरा. कौन है वो, कैसे जीवन को, जिंदगियों को बदल रहे हैं, आज हम उनसे जानेंगे और बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे. ही इज़ द OCD स्पेशलिस्ट. शायद आपने OCD के बारे में सुना हो, ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर. बट क्या ये एक स्पेशलाइजेशन हो सकती है? क्या इसमें इसका इलाज किया जा सकता है? क्या इसको जड़ से ख़त्म किया जा सकता है? बहुत कुछ ये सब और भी अपनी पर्सनल जर्नी, जैसे हम हर गेस्ट के साथ कवर करते हैं, आज डॉक्टर श्याम से मिलेंगे और जानेंगे कि कैसे, हाउ इज़ ही ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग एंड लीडिंग the life with change. Dr. Sham, welcome to show. Welcome to Unbound with Mamta.
Thank you very much, madam, for inviting me in this lovely setup and your graceful presence. I believe it is my first time coming in any studio. Yes, it is the first time. But I believe the message I wish to convey through you, through this show, Unbound. Simple message. The world think about OCD. This is not recoverable, not curable. I believe, I practice. If client is with us following the protocol, 16-step process, family member is supporting, then complete OCD recovery not only happening, it's possible for everyone, regardless of age, gender, ethnicity, regardless of where you are living, time zone. Doesn't matter. Like worldwide people comes with a lot of disheartened experience, and when they become part of us, within few months, 4, 5, 6 months, we change their OCD related understanding, the trouble they have.
Yeah, I'm sure ये वर्क बहुत ही ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव है एंड डेफिनेटली हम इन डेप्थ में जाएंगे. बट पहले शुरू से शुरू करेंगे. आप इस तरीके के काम में कैसे आए? किसने आपको इंस्पायर किया और क्या आपने ये जाना भी कैसे कि इस तरीके का भी कुछ काम हो सकता है?
Age of 12 and now 48 after 22 days. So 12, when I was in 7th class, I'm not sure whether my Buaji will see this podcast. I wish she should not see because she will not like it. So I went to this summer holiday,
अच्छा.
and my mom tell me in advance, okay, you are going to Buaji house. She will be asking you to wash hand and feet. You please do whatever she is saying because she's elder.
अच्छा.
And entering Buaji house in Firozabad, starting from morning to night, she asked me at least 40 to 50 times wash my hand.
What?
Without any reason.
Really?
Yes. Let's say 3 meals she will be offering, 2 time tea, and then in between this fruit break.
Hmm.
Each time she will be instructing me, go and wash hand 3 times. I said, okay. Because mom already told me, you need to wash hand when your Buaji say. So just imagine 3 major meal, 2 beverage break of tea, then 2 fruit break. And then in between also,
Yeah.
we North Indian are very too much foodie. So I used to get lot of in between food. So let's say for water also, let's say I'm asking 1 glass of water to Buaji because we were not allowed to enter in kitchen. We were just a ghost if we are trying to enter in kitchen because her kitchen will get contaminated.
Oh my God.
So after each water glass, water glass also, she want me to wash hand properly. So first day in my life, my mom never asked me to wash for any reason. Dad did not ask ever. But that day I washed, I guess, 50, 60 times. And I reached to the different level of frustration. Next day I leave my Buaji house to another Buaji house in same city because same city I have a 3 Buaji.
अच्छा.
When I go back to the another Buaji and she asked me, you came very early, you yesterday only reached. So then she smiled, younger Buaji smiled. लगता है ना तुमको बड़ी Buaji ने हाथ धुलवाए तुमसे. I said, how do you know? So then I said, yes, some 50, 60 times I wash. And throughout the day I was observing only this business in her house.
Oh. And everybody in the family was doing it?
Everybody. Like one of his son. I would not use very particular thing.
Sure.
Everybody was washing hand. Throughout the day, only one business.
Was Buaji washing hands?
Huh? She was also washing hand.
So then that gave you some insight. Mm-hmm.
No, 7th class, 12 year, I don't know what is it. OCD or psychology even subject. Psychology subject came after 12th exam. So when I complete the 12th exam with the
आपने इस इंसिडेंट को कैसे प्रोसेस किया? क्या बोला आपने अपने दिमाग में? क्या बोला?
Nothing. I just said, somebody not sure what is that. Just a laugh and irritation. Laugh from another Buaji.
An irritation from
within. Irritation for me. Why I came here? I all the way came for 130 kilometer away from my Morena to Firozabad for a stay, a vacation. And I can't handle this.
Right.
And another Buaji, no question of talking about hand washing.
Right.
So think about it. The same parenting in my family. Let's say my father, other 7 brother and sister. So my father was a middle one. He is a 4 brother, 4 sister. And in the 12 year of age, I know there are something, 3 people have a different trouble. 2 having contamination OCD. So that particular Buaji was elder to my father and the one younger brother. And both of their children also have this cleaning subject.
Okay.
So not sure what is that.
उस एज में आप तो नहीं समझ पाए कि क्या है.
Not at all. Right. But I have such observation. I have an interest in human life. Let's say very early age, 8 to 10 around also, I used to observe people, why certain people are becoming angry, why somebody are behaving bad, why somebody is very calm, why a certain person is walking in this way, that way, why people have a different interest in the dressing, makeup, and they're in a study, difference in a study in the same classroom. I used to see, I am not have an interest, I am not able to understand what my teacher is teaching. But these front row students all are very topper kind of thing. They are getting appreciation and I am getting the beating and bad word. Yeah. So this difference in the capacity of the fellow student.
Right.
So that observation
has led you on this path.
So first time when I get to know some subject, my father, maternal uncle, let me tell you the name of that maternal uncle. that changed my life.
Yeah.
So I was in a
I hope maternal uncle is watching.
no. I will show him to give it this in a video clip to him. His name is Dharmendra Gupta and his nickname is Dharmu Chacha.
Okay.
So I was sitting after 12th exam. My 12th mark sheet came. It was around May last week, 94. And I was sitting on rooftop, 4th floor, and I was flying the kite. And he came, Shyam, what you are doing? I said, nothing. 12 pass, will be entering in BCom Commerce in that particular college, same city. He said, इसमें कुछ नहीं रखा BCom में. You study something different. I said, suggest something. He said, study the psychology. I said, what is that?
Yeah.
It is a science of human mind.
Yeah.
And if you study this, then you will become a doctor of a brain. That is what his understanding. And he was a 3 year elder than me. So this word, I wish to become a doctor in early age, but I do not have a resources and means academically also not at all good, backbencher. So that word, doctor of brain, doctor of brain. That is what his first word. You will become a doctor of brain. And then I asked what I need to do. He said, you need to do the graduation and post-graduation, BA and MA. And by that time, I know what is BA, what is MA. Right. So I asked, BA is art and how one somebody with the BA, MA will become a doctor of brain. He said, no, it happened. A few of my friends has studied, they are practicing. And he's talking in 94. Today is 2025.
Right.
It's almost 31 years before his story I'm telling.
Right.
And after that, story is completely different. Trust me, if I'm sitting here and whosoever will be seeing this video, trust me, God has made that decision 31 years before for the purpose.
Right.
Because no connection related with the OCD, psychology. That particular Dharmu uncle comes, talk me, don't do this BCom, study psychology. And I ask my next question, do we have a psychology in our city? He said, no, you have to go to the Gwalior.
Achha.
It's a 40 kilometer away. So that was the first
turning point,
knowledge related subject. And I did not meet him again for a few days, just enter to that particular college, go by train. Now the God decision. Please, I always tell to everyone in my life, God decision. Your decision happened. Though this podcast will become boring for few people. But think about it. My 12th percentage was 52%. And I supposed to enter take the admission in MLB College, Gwalior.
Right.
Which have a history of not giving a less than first division student admission.
Right.
So first list of graduation first year came. I submit my form. 360 student, my name was not at all in the list. And then the disappointment. After 2 weeks, I got a news that Jivaji University has increased the MLB college 120 more seat as a graduation.
Okay.
Now you see the magic, next magic. So one of fellow who submit the form, he came, that 4th list has come. Let you please go and check. And I gone and I checked the name in the list. 360, I was not in that list. Serial number 480, my name, last person. Shyam Gupta, son of Sri Ramkishore Gupta, house number 76, Telipada Morena, Shilpa Printing Press, in front of Collectorate, 476001 pin code.
Wow.
First, I did not accept it. No, I am seeing wrong. Checked 4 or 5 times that my name detail. And I was seeing, is it a graduation first year list, final list? And then I went to the administration. I asked, this is my... No, not at all. Because 52% and having the first division admission. So see, the God give a 120 more seat in my college.
Just so that you are there. Beautiful. I think when you look at life historically or in retrospect, जब आप पीछे जाके देखते हैं, तब समझ आता है कि जो जब होना था सो तब हुआ है, right?
I wish to share one gesture for those who are aspiring for becoming psychologists. I am not saying I am someone with the psychology. I am still trying to learn. I daily learn from the client, their family member, the ecosystem, the dynamic that play the role in the development of the issue. So once the administrator tell me, counter person who was handling the admission, yes, your name is present. You are the last person. And he give a comment. You
are the last person.
You are the last person. He gave a comment.
Yeah.
So he was checking my file. He said, you got selected out of this low mark because You choose two such subject which other doesn't take. You
अच्छा,
have chosen the philosophy and chosen, you mark a psychology as a subject. We want department a 30 student list. That is why you have been chosen.
क्योंकि हमें लिस्ट
Yeah,
कंप्लीट
I mean,
करनी
listen,
है.
and the phenomena is still happening. Nobody go to that college anyway.
Yeah.
So once I see I am the student of graduation psychology subject, I start running to pick the auto. 2 kilometer I run. I pick the auto while the auto was in a running status. I jump from the window, hit my this head
अच्छा.
in excitement. I'm
Yeah.
going to become a psychologist.
Wow.
And journey have a lot of up and downs. 5 year in the graduation and post graduation. I should not tell this, but that is what sometime keep me remind. My teacher used to tell me there is no future in psychology. Don't
अच्छा.
waste time. Do whatever you are working in your family business. I never listen their word. Never. In 5 years, they might have told me 10, 20 times. At least two teacher
कि
I don't.
छोड़ दो.
छोड़ दो है ना, कुछ नहीं रखा है इसमें, क्यों आते हो है ना, 45 किलोमीटर अवे से 50 किलोमीटर यू
अच्छा, you
ट्रैवल
would trip down every day to Gwalior.
every day
Okay.
except Sunday.
Okay.
5 years daily without fail, whether it is a too much cold, fog, rain, heat, nothing can stop me. I used to go to my department, sit in the classroom, even if I know tomorrow might be a holiday or tomorrow might be a optional holiday, my teacher may not come, but I used to go.
क्या सिखाया ये 5 सालों ने आपको, ये जो जिंदगी की अप एंड डाउन, टू एंड फ्रो, जहाँ पे पहले आप श्योर भी नहीं थे और ऑल ऑफ अ सडन यू सॉ समथिंग इन द मेकिंग. ऐसा होता है ना कि फ्यूचर दिखना शुरू हो रहा है शायद. क्या सिखा रही थी जिंदगी आपको, क्या आप ऑब्जर्व कर रहे थे इस टाइम में, इस फ्रेम में 5 साल के? एवरी डे आगरा टू ग्वालियर.
Starting in the college and those 5 years and after the 2 year specialization and continuously, I have one non-compromisable subject in my mind. I can't afford failure. Either it's a
Okay.
psychology or a money making or a relationship or a learning. One choice, only need to get over. Need to done, finish the work.
कि अगर कोई चीज ली है तो उसको पूरा
Correct.
करके करना
So,
है.
I consider myself psychologist the day I see my name in list of selected candidate 480 last number. That day I said I am psychologist, and that there is a beautiful journey of graduation second year when my teacher, I guess she will be feel proud about this when I am taking her name. So Professor Anita Tiwari, I remember the date 14 August 1997. 14 August 1997, she was on the sharing about OCD. And once she told me, people keep washing hand, that is a contamination OCD. People keep repetitive worship, that is a religious OCD. People have a checking aspect. So 3-4 subtypes she told me. And whatever she was saying in that 40-minute subtype of OCD or explaining OCD, I was smiling. I was feeling, अरे यही तो है जो चाहिए था.
तो क्या आप आना चाहेंगे अनबाउंड विद ममता पे अनबाउंडिंग के लिए मेरे साथ? कोई स्टोरी, कोई आइडिया, कोई थॉट है आपके पास जो आप चाहते हैं कि दुनिया सुने, तो मुझे लिखिए unboundwithmamta@gmail.com. That is unboundwithmamta@gmail.com. या सिंपली हमारे किसी भी इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट को या यूट्यूब के एपिसोड को लाइक, शेयर या अपने कमेंट्स भेजिए. मैं सिर्फ एक चीज़ और बहुत इंक्विजिटिव हूँ ये जानने की कि हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया कि बहुत टाइप्स ऑफ ऐसे बिहेवियर्स और पैटर्न्स हैं, और आपने बेस लाइन बोला कि या फियर है या एंग्जाइटी है या गिल्ट है, राइट? फियर एंड गिल्ट आर टू थिंग्स दैट यू मेजरली सेड कि यहीं से ये आ रहे हैं. लेकिन हर कोई उसको डिफरेंटली प्रोसेस कर रहा है.
Correct,
किसी के लिए
correct.
वो ऑब्सेशन क्लेanलीनेस को लेके है, किसी के लिए वो ऑब्सेशन बेदिंग को लेके है. तो इसमें भी कुछ आइडेंटिफिकेशन होती है कि कौन किस चीज़ से कैसे एसोसिएट करता है, एंड देयरफॉर उसका रिस्पॉन्स मैकेनिज्म ये बन रहा
100%,
है.
100%,
तो बताइए, कुछ
100%.
बताइए.
Good
जैसे
question, good question.
जैसे कोई अब जो बेदिंग का पैटर्न है तो वो क्या अवॉइड कर रहा है या क्या रेजिस्ट कर रहा है या क्या किस चीज़ को वो डिफेंड कर रहा है इंटरनली?
No, contamination OCD development and the situation of the client vary in a different aspect.
Different aspect.
Means contamination OCD look like a bathing and cleaning only,
हाँ.
but you will wonder
कि उसका
professional.
मीनिंग क्या है psychologically?
You will wonder कि some people may not have a contamination OCD because of dirt, germs, and bacteria.
हाँ.
The another common form of contamination OCD belong to the mental contamination.
Right.
A different phenomena.
Right.
Let's say you have a resentment toward your teacher. Let's say you
Right.
are 25 and some college teacher abuse, assault or harass you. Let's say some Dr. Sharma. Dr. Sharma shout on you and you will wonder, a person may develop with 3 words in this, the contamination. Doctor, Sharma, and then the college where the assault happened.
Okay.
I have seen a n number of such clients, those who develop the mental contamination. And once those triggering word pop up, it can be image, it can be word, it can be place, it can be situation, it can be anything. Association, let's say this image of Lord Buddha. Somebody may develop with this Lord Buddha image as a negative association. Whenever they are listening Buddha image or somebody talking about Buddha, they will start washing hand. They will start cleaning, changing the dress. They will start cleaning everything around. So that is called mental contamination, where there is no physical aspect that trigger them. Mental phenomena. I remember one, I will not be using the identity of that girl because she belonged to very prominent family of country and father is a topmost neonatologist from some southern part of the India. She has an association with the 3 word. Symbiosis, college, Pune. College word itself, symbiosis college word itself, and one school name I forgot. Chaitanya Kirti something. Chaitanya Kirti school. I was not aware in first 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Caregiver also don't tell me what is that aspect. So abruptly I asked in which college you were studying, and she was in a graduation 4th year. 4th year back came. Last semester she gets stuck. Once I said college word, I did not talk about one more thing. One word, Pune. Pune is the city. Pune college symbiosis Chaitanya Kirti. If I am telling, so abruptly I said कि किस college में पढ़ रहे थे आप? जब भी पढ़ रहे थे. And she started behaving abnormally. And then father, who was a specialist doctor, he come in that room and start, what happened? I said, no, she starts shouting, don't tell this name, I will die.
Oh.
And then father told me, what you have said? I said, I asked a college. Oh, please don't use this word, college.
Oh.
And then she entered in a bathroom, leaving the session. I believe that the session number 8 or 10 something. And that day she bathed for around 11-12 hours.
Oh.
Now there is no contamination of germs and bacteria. So contamination OCD has some, I would say, if this community, I'm not sure whether my community will allow me or not, but contamination OCD itself have some 40-50 sub-theme.
Wow.
Let's say I may be triggered with the color, I may be triggered with the word. Visual, I can tell you n number of such cases. Let's say there is a lot of exceptional case. I wish to document all those success story with help of you for future.
For sure, sir. I mean, I am so grateful and I truly feel very honored that you've come so, unfiltered and you're going on talking about this in with so much of compassion, of course, but with so much of clarity and with so much of authenticity. I think ये बात को ही बाहर लाना है, ऐसी बातों को ही बाहर लाना, इसीलिए हमारा ये प्लेटफॉर्म है, इसीलिए हमारी ये कोशिश है. And we would definitely want to do many more such series with you. Yeah, you were saying something. Please finish up.
On this aspect of documenting success story in terms of electronic way or let's say in this way or a writing way, written way, when people read, when people watch. So see, in this whole universe, OCD subject have a disheartened outcome. Most part of the world. people, including professionals, say nonsense only.
Right.
Let's say I have heard from any client, they say wherever we are taking medicine from certain doctor, the doctor has told me that I need a medication lifelong.
Hmm.
And what is happening after taking the lifelong medicine? Same outcome. OCD, obsessional trap. So what I always have a question. If lifelong medicine need to take, then what is the purpose of lifelong medicine? Is it going out or it is managing? So the answer comes managing. And trust me, I hate this word, managing, not recovering. Why? Somebody did not born with this subject.
Right.
They learn. They need to de-learn this and they need to focus what matter. So I wish to convey one simple message. Whosoever is watching this or maybe watching in future also.
Yeah.
OCD recovery is possible without medicine, within projective timeline, and reaching to the cure state is thousands has already witnessed. Whosoever have a doubt whether my OCD will go away or not, let me allow to connect with the right audience, but not this for marketing purpose. Yeah. Somebody idiot is coming and asking me a client name and number, family member. For that, I have a strict my own personal inhibition. I cannot break anybody privacy. Because that is a trust. And trust me, all those clients who has recovered their family member, they always tell me, sir, tell me whom we need to guide. We will be able to tell anything in any platform. I said, calm down.
Yeah. You never know. You might find a few of them coming here very soon.
No. I need to just simply give your number only. Go to contact Mamta madam and just have a chit chat with them.
Yeah. No, but we are truly, today I think we just kind of lucked out that we got in touch with you through some source and some good spirits and souls guiding us कि नहीं ये message बाहर आना चाहिए. And we are so glad that we've been able to do this with you. We are definitely looking to curate a lot more content on this particular subject, bring out many more stories, bring out many more heartfelt changes that you have put out there in the world. आपने अनबाउंडिंग का एक फेज तो क्लियर कर लिया है. अब अनबाउंडिंग का दूसरा फेज ये है कि डॉक्टर श्याम गुप्ता जी को एक छोटा सा रैपिड फायर राउंड मेरे साथ खेलना पड़ेगा. श्याम गुप्ता का सबसे बड़ा ड्रीम क्या है?
I want as a dream presenting in emotion of life in 100 country. Each country there must be some 50 professional working for emotion of life. And any given point of time, each country must be on board with the 200 plus client.
Wow. क्या कर रहे होते? अगर आप इस काम में नहीं होते तो आप क्या कर रहे होते?
I have a two inclination. One is a cosmetic world that I have already worked. One is a manufacturing, two things. Trading I like in terms of earning the money, but my interest is in cosmetic production or a eatable item production.
Okay. Coming from Agra, कुछ एक सेंटेंस जो आपका एक होता है ना, जो आपकी वहाँ का एक डायलेक्ट है, आपकी वहाँ की एक लैंग्वेज, एक स्टाइल है, उसमें एक चीज जो आप हमेशा बोलते हैं या कहना पसंद करेंगे, एक चीज कोई भी एक.
अरे मजे कर भाई, जिंदगी बड़ी अच्छी है. I tell this to everyone. मजे करो यार, क्या कर रहे हो ये OCD मत वेस्ट करो टाइम. You have only one option, celebration. Do it.
Super. I hope all of you who is listening, watching is definitely having a ball of a time and a celebratory life out there. Favorite movie कौन सी आपकी?
जान तेरे नाम.
And any favorite book, any favorite Netflix, OTT watch, binge watch जो आप बहुत enjoy करते हैं?
I read one book when I was in graduation second year. I'm still fan of that book, though it's an underrated book, but it helped me to shape my practice, understanding the mental health. So the book is popular, but all those who are a sincere professional. So the book name is Interpretation of Dream by Sigmund Freud. His third and fourth book. And I read this book at least 4 or 5 times in my graduation day.
Okay. And you still continue to read it?
No, I am little, my study way is little different.
Okay.
I doesn't believe in the book. Let's say it's a bad habit only. But my learning start with the human, like observing, talking, interacting, going on road.
Yeah.
So my learning is not in a book and classroom learning.
Yeah.
I believe my client is my best teacher.
Yeah.
The client family member is the best teacher, because they will be telling you the different scenario,
Yeah.
how they think, why they behave in certain manner.
Yeah. Yeah.
So my teacher is my client.
Super. And any favorite food? Binging? Do you like?
Oh, I am overeater. I can consider now. I can consider as a normal eating. But watermelon is 24/7. I
Acha.
can eat anytime,
You enjoy that.
and whatever my wife prepare.
Okay. And any one, word of wisdom, inspiration, motivation that you would just like to give to the world out there, जो troubled भी है, उसको पता भी है, नहीं भी कुछ पता है, जानना चाह भी रहा है बट रेजिस्टेंस भी है और वो कुछ कर भी नहीं पा रहा है, कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप उन लोगों को जो आज के शो के साथ रिलेट भी कर पा रहे हैं लेकिन अभी भी बहुत हेजिटेंट हैं सामने आने के लिए, बाहर आने के लिए, रीच आउट करने के लिए, और कुछ लोग जो उनके एनवायरनमेंट से हैं, उनकी फैमिलीज हैं, उनके पीयर हैं, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
I was in my 14 year of age and talking about troubles to my mom. And this is the beautiful line. I believe if people can understand. So I was talking about problems in life to my mother. 9th class, I was talking about struggle in mathematics, this, friends, trouble with father, and the crisis. So I asked mom, I have that number of problems. And she she has a strong impact on my life. She was a brutal truth teller. So I remember what she said. So I was talking about problem, and she come up with the one solution. Shyam, it's your life. You choose it, whether you want to make it success or fail. I'm nowhere in picture to guide you. So that is the best guidance she give me.
Wow.
No guidance is the best guidance. Let's say you were one podcast I saw from Pradeep ji. So what he was saying, I guess he would be around 60 plus age.
Yeah.
So he was saying, okay, my parent did not introduce me to the God. I need to bow down. So best advice, best support I get from somebody in this world. Most of the time people try to guide. Most of the parents tell, do this, including me also. But I also doesn't follow anything. I don't tell my child, you study what? I also say, it's your life. Son is doing engineering, talk about NDA. Daughter is a management freak, right now doing CA. I don't think I have never asked them how you are doing in study, what you are studying, and what is your goal. I only simply say 2-3 things. Enjoy. Just do whatever you like. Even if you fail 200 times, no problem. But keep doing it. And I know my children, they are my children. They are allowed to fail. And I believe both of them are such a sincere that they don't allow themselves to getting fail because they are already over studious. But over studious they become now. But from the early childhood, I have that perspective. You do it for yourself. Yeah. As a parent, my duty is guiding them what time to sleep, what good to eat, what good to wear, manage your finance. So my both children are in a managed finance. For me also they serve. Let's say this mobile, this hanky, this shoe, pant shirt, everything from including this ring also. I just simply send a WhatsApp message. I need this. Wow. And they will be doing all the research, giving me offer of 2-3 options, and then my life is easy. I am not wasting. What a guidance, I would say, and what a wrap up you have put to the show. No guidance is also the best guidance. Happiness is also a choice, and life is truly a celebration. ये हम पर है कि हम अपनी जिंदगी को कहाँ शेप करके किधर ले जाना चाहते हैं. तो जिम्मेदारी, अगर आप ये वॉच कर रहे हैं तो ये जिम्मेदारी आप पर है कि आप किसी को सपोर्ट करना चाहते हैं, उसकी स्ट्रगल में, उसके किसी भी प्रॉब्लम में, क्या आप उसके साथ सच में खड़े होना चाहते हैं, क्या आप वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन उनकी ज़िंदगी में लाना चाहते हैं. और अगर आप ये अपने लिए वॉच कर रहे हैं तो भी ये आपके ऊपर है कि क्या आप अपनी ज़िंदगी को बेहतर बनाना चाहते हैं. एडवाइस अवेलेबल है, हेल्प
अवेलेबल है. श्याम जी इज़ accessible on social media also. उनकी कंपनी का और उनके प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है, सर आप बताएं प्रोजेक्ट का नाम, अपनी वेबसाइट बताएं कि अगर लोग आप तक पहुंचना चाहें तो हाउ कैन दे रीच आउट टू यू?
Simple things to reach out to me. Type on Google emotion of life without any space. Just enter. You search on any search engine, either ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google, YouTube. Around the world, not only in India.
Yeah.
You just type in Africa or Nigeria.
Emotion of life
That's
is
it.
your go-to place. Shyam Gupta ji is personally available to guide, to transform, to help, to support, and just to be there with you in your struggle, in your journey, in your change. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. आप LinkedIn पे, गूगल पे, जेमिनाई पे, चैट जीपीटी पे, परप्लेक्सिटी पे, कहीं पे भी उनको रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. और जिंदगी आपकी है, चॉइस भी आपकी अपनी है. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, Madam Mamta. Just last message to audience: OCD recovery is possible within projected timeline. Without medicine, reaching to cure is also completely possible if you are following the 16-step process under the supervision, and if you are ready to go achieve your recoveries as a success, let you try for one time as a 1 month investment. I always tell to everyone,
sure,
trust for a first month, rest will be only history.
Trust for the first.
Yes,
thank you so much, sir. Thanks again for truly putting this up in such a beautiful and impactful way. I'm sure हमने तो जो लर्न किया है और जो सब लोग जानने वाले हैं लर्न करेंगे, और उससे जो हमारी अपनी पर्सपेक्टिव में जो चेंज आएगा, यहाँ से जो ओसीडी को लेके एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हमारा बदलेगा, हम बदलेंगे तो समाज बदलेगा, समाज बदलेगा तो सब बेहतरी ही होगी. सो लेट्स कीप अनबाउंडिंग टुगेदर एंड लेट्स कीप कमिंग बैक फॉर मोर सच कंटेंट.
Let's keep unbounding together.